Hello dear students, you are welcome in Literature Simply. Simple way to learn literature and language. Dear students, we have started a series called Speak English, and in this series we are going to discuss about the requirements of speaking English. How can we speak English? What are the barriers in speaking English, or how you can develop English communication skills? Students, in the first video in this series we talked about different types of skills. We talked about very first skill, listening. In brief, we didn't talk about this skill in deep, but briefly we talked about the four basic skills, and I already told you that how these basic skills are significant in acquiring any language. Here we are talking about English, but you think, how did you learn your own mother tongue? How did you learn your first language? So when you look at the process of learning any language, you will understand very clearly that listening, the skill, is very important in all aspects. And dear students, today we are going to talk about the most significant skill in language acquisition, that is listening. Yes, listening is the most important skill in language acquisition, because any language begins with listening, and once you listen to that language, you have the ability of speaking after listening. So students, today I am going to talk about listening, and I will going to provide you some tips to improve your listening skills. As we all know that communication is not a single way process. It has two sides. One is speaker and the other is listener. Most of the times we do not pay attention to listening, and if you look at the curricula which you were taught in your schools and colleges, you find listening has been neglected at a larger extent, and that is what we are paying the price for neglecting listening, the very basic skill of language learning. So students, first very clearly think about listening and keep this in your mind. Listening is the first skill in language acquisition. Without listening, you cannot go ahead. So listening, very important. Students, here I would like to give you some of my experiences so that you can understand very clearly how listening is important. Before, I was reading a lot, reading English literature. As you see that I teach English literature, and hence I read a lot of English literature. But friends, there occur some problems. When I try to speak this particular words, there comes difficulties, and after that I realized first I need to listen to those words. So I went to the dictionary, I consulted dictionaries, I listened particular words, I also listened a lot of stories in English literature, and then I became able to pronounce the same things in crystal clear manner. So friends, listening becomes inevitable part in your speaking. It is the very first skill. So now let me share you some of the tips to improve your listening. The very first thing, the very first tip I would like to provide to you is that you should pay as much attention as you can to the listening. You can listen English stories, you can watch YouTube channels which are there in English language. You can have a lot of material on YouTube, on Google, and just listen to those material. There are many applications available in Play Store which provides you listening, particularly English listening. So listen a lot and pay as much attention as you can. This is the very first thing. Then whatever you are listening, listen to it complete. It is very important, because we find that students rush for immediate action. Once they listen, they do not listen completely, they listen in chunks. So I would advise you, listen carefully and completely, and then go for action. Whatever going there in your mind, try to interpret whatever you listened. This is the next thing. Whatever you listened, for example, you listened a story in English literature, and you now have a very good comprehension of that story. You can interpret it on your own level. So think about that story in English language. Whatever you are listened, think, interpret, and try to speak the same things, or if it is not possible to write immediately, speak immediately, you can write those things. This is also important. So this type of things you can do in your improving listening skill. Next thing is that listen whatever you are listening without bias or without any prejudice, because sometimes we find that the matter we are listening or the topic we are listening is biased before, and there are some opinions formed already about that subject or about that particular matter. But I would suggest you listen without prejudice, without bias. After listening complete that particular topic, you can form your own opinion. In this way, you also can build your critical thinking. So listen completely, pay much attention, keep your mind open. Many times interruptions occur. When you try to listen, there are some external and internal factors who cause interruptions in your listening. Try to minimize those interruptions. Be practical and decide before going to listen some particular topics or matters or watching particular YouTube channels in English. Watch completely, understand whatever going there. If you find there are difficulty in understanding, you don't know the words, you don't know the vocabulary, then try to keep those words in your mind and consult a dictionary. There are many dictionaries available in your mobile phone, in your Android system. For example, we have a free dictionary called Merriam-Webster. You can use Merriam-Webster to find the meanings of particular words which you don't understand. This is the process. Now you might have realized that listening is not a single skill. It includes many other activities. For example, finding the words, consulting dictionaries and different types of things. So keep your mind open. Consult a dictionary whenever you find there is difficulty in understanding a word. This kind of practice leads you to improvement in your listening, improvement in your understanding, improvement in building your critical thinking. These things are very important, my dear students. Now friends, next thing which I would like to suggest to you is that whatever you listened, speak it, speak on it, interpret and try to record whatever you are speaking in English. This is also important. Here I want to make a very simple point that speak in English and record that speaking, record your voice, record your sound and again listen to it. That will again enhance your listening skills, your speaking skills, your different types of abilities of learning. How am I pronouncing particular words? So this thing also is important. How I pronounce the words. If there are some difficulty in pronunciation, next time you can improve upon. So in this way you can record your sound, or you can do a simple thing to record your sound. Just read aloud. Read aloud some chapters, some stories. If you are interested in literature, just try to read those stories aloud. Recite poems, read poems aloud and record these poems and again listen to it. That will also enhance your listening skill, your listening abilities, your listening comprehension. So you can improve in this way also. Pay attention what you are listening. For example, if you are listening a story, if you are listening someone speaking on different topics, there are many YouTube channels who have English as their medium and they speak on different topics. For example, if you are listening to news, try to understand that news, try to understand that topic, try to understand the matter. So dear students, you can say that listening is a very crucial skill in improving your fluency in English language. Unless you listen to particular words, how you are going to pronounce those words? It's the very basic thing and we should know about this basic type of listening. So while listening, be careful what you are listening. Pay attention on the topic going there, what you are listening. There are many YouTube channels who have English as their medium and you can find they have very great fluency in pronouncing different types of words. You can follow those channels, YouTube channels. You can have literature channels also, because Teachers also speak very fluent English. They teach you literature, and literature is a medium of learning language because it gives you great kind of vocabulary, different kind of vocabulary. It has ornamentation. It has very special words in literature. If you follow literature, you will become very fluent in English language. So I will assure you, because I am a student of literature, I read a lot of literature, I listen literature. Sometimes I record my own sound when I read aloud, and then again I listen to it. In this way you also can do to improve your listening. So dear students, now we need to focus on listening. This is the very first skill in language acquisition. Listen a lot. You should listen every day. Or I have a question for you right now. How much English do you listen every day? Can you tell me? You can tell me in the comment section. If you are listening English for half an hour, 1 hour or 2 hours, more the listening, more the comprehension of English language, more the improvement in listening. This is the formula of improving your listening skills. So dear friends, from today, keep listening, keep your mind open, keep your ears open and listen a lot of English, and then you will automatically improve on your fluency. So this is all about the improvement of listening. If you have anything to share with me, if you have some different ideas of listening, you can share it directly through the comments. I will appreciate your comments. So thank you very much, dear students. Keep watching, keep listening. Let's meet in the next video.